Just take a card. It won't matter what it is and what you get. They're all different. Take a card or take the one I give you, as the case may be. Great. Now, these are really cool. This is new. I just come back from the States a few weeks ago. I saw a colleague work with these. They're called UBUNTU Cards. I don't actually know the origin, but I'm told that it means something to do with what you have in common. It could be a great story, but I like it, so that's what I'm going to run with. So what you'll notice, there are two sides to your card. There's a very big picture, and there are 54 cards in this set. Every picture is different. So that's the big picture. I've got, for example, a dice. Sharon, you've got a toy penguin. Great, excellent. Oh, they're the extras? Thank you. So, but on the other side, you'll notice that there are smaller versions of the big things, okay? I don't understand how this works, folks, but every paired of cards, so we might look at our two cards, there is always one thing that matches. So that is, I'll find something on my card that's also on Sharon's card. I swear at least one group of pair are going to come up to me and say, Mark, we found the anomaly, we found where it doesn't work, and every single time I'm able to show them where it is. It's amazing. I don't know how they do that. Only 8 things on a card, but somehow there are 54. Now, you trying to work out the math now? Good on you, Joel. Get back to me on that one, would you? So here's the activity. Start with a partner. For example, Sharon and I might be facing off. You might want to introduce yourself if you choose, if you don't already know each other. And we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and you show the little side up. Our objective is quickly to identify which one item is the one that matches. So,
hammer.
Great, okay, great. So in this case, she wins. Doesn't really mean anything, but she'll feel really good about it. And so Sharon feels good. And then we find something we each have in common. So we just found something that was in common with our card. We now have a quick chat to find out which one thing we have in common. It would be very easy for you to say, oh, we're both members of ACHPA, and then you move on. Except I'm going to ask you to go a little another level. It might be that we both have 2 sisters, or the last digit of our mobile phone number is the same. I don't mind, but find something unique about what you might have in common. It's kind of crazy. Once you've found it, great. Swap cards. Go find yourself a new partner, do exactly the same. You keep swapping cards each time you find a match and have that conversation. Got the idea? Go! Ready? 1, 2, 3. Butterfly. That's good. So what do we have in